What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check and politic news. Every single day on my channel, I upload daily videos, keep you guys updated what's going on in the country, what's going on with politics, what's going on with stimulus check updates. Let's get to the topic of today's video. Is a fourth stimulus check update. We finally have new confirmed news, 100% legit. Starting with the very first article, CNN Business, you know it's reputable, you know it's legitimate. Does the US economy need another $480 billion in stimulus? If you're watching live, please hit that like button, comment right now. Do you think the US needs a fourth stimulus package, another round of stimulus checks? CNN Business. Then we have another article right here. Here's who's actually going to get $1,000 in stimulus money before the end of the year. Comment below also if you remember me talking about this. I was the first person to talk about one more check possibly before the end of the year. Again, 100% confirmed. And last but certainly not least, these families will get another $1,400 stimulus check. If we scroll down right now, you can see the American Rescue Plan has done a lot to put money in the hands of American people. Not only that, the first half of the expected credits are being delivered in months payments until the end of the year, $1,400 for parents. Not only that, an extra $1,400 per child. But if we scroll down, that's the catch. Some families were expected babies in 2021. What does this mean? If you actually had a child sometime in 2021 or actually by the end of this year, you could actually look to receive $1,400. Now, if you have a baby, let's say November or December, you can expect to receive it first quarter of 2022 in January. Not only that, like I said, we also have right here, we're actually debating on one more stimulus check package. I said this over a month ago. I said I'm personally expecting one more package. I don't know if it's going to be $1,400, $1,200, $600, $500, but I personally believe we need at least one more. Comment below if you agree. Real quick, I want to let you know, my name is Average Tuber. I post daily videos, daily politic videos, daily stimulus check updates. Not only that, every single day I upload one video. If you hit that like button right now and you comment the word yellow or a yellow emoji, I'll be picking one person, giving away a $100 Amazon gift card. If you're a member, if you hit this join button for 99 cents, it enters you in a raffle. If you actually do win, I'm going to give you $200 Amazon gift card. Daily videos, daily giveaways, so make sure to hit that like. Come back every single day to keep updated with stimulus, politics, whatever's going on in this country. Now, with that out the way, let's get back to the topic of the video. That's among the key questions right here facing central bankers when gathering annual meetings in Jackson Hole, basically Wyoming. Literally starting Monday, which was yesterday, to this week, they're talking about, just like I've been saying for weeks, 2-3 weeks ago, maybe a month ago, I said this, they're actually in talks, in negotiation for a fourth stimulus check package. It's hard to argue that people need it. I agree. Now, is it going to 100% happen? I don't know. Nobody on YouTube knows, but I can keep you guys updated with 100%, no BS. I'm not, swayed one way or another way. I'm not a Democrat. I'm not a Republican. This is unbiased, 100% legit news. I don't lie to you guys. I've never lied to you on my channel. All I do is I keep you guys educated, updated, and I help you guys with giveaways. Please hit that like. Please comment a yellow emoji or just the word yellow or just anything yellow, guys. And finally, like I said, one more time, my name's Average Tuber. I upload daily politic videos, stimulus check updates, and I do daily giveaways. All that I ask you is hit that like button. And like I said, if you want to enter a $200 Amazon gift card giveaway, hit join. It only costs 99 cents. If you hit join, you become a member. You get a diamond next to your name that changes colors. You get members only community tab, members only emojis, members only live streams, members only giveaways. How many of you guys actually joined my members only live stream? The reason there's only 100 people in there is because it was members only. If you want access to a live stream where I actually help you out, I give away money, I answer your questions, comment below, do you support a fourth stimulus check package? And if it was up to you, how much would you make the package for? 500, 600, 1,000, 1,200? Let me know. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Just a quick video today. Have a great Tuesday, everyone. That's it for today. Peace.